Okay, let's talk about a couple abbreviations that are associated with the endocrine system. Most of our hormones are going to have an abbreviation associated with them. So let's take a look at what they are. So first up, we have GH, which stands for growth hormone. Growth hormone is exactly what it sounds like, right? It helps you grow taller, put on more muscle mass. You do have this a lot when you are younger, and through teen age, it does slow down a bit as you get older because you're really not growing much taller at that point. PRL stands for prolactin. This is related to childbirth. We're not going to go into details here, but just so you have a general idea of what it does. Next up is ADH. ADH stands for anti-diuretic hormone, and this is the one that helps keep you hydrated inside of your body. So ADH stands for anti-diuretic hormone. PTH is up next, and if you want to take a look at your word list, you can try to investigate what that stands for yourself. So PTH stands for parathyroid hormone. Next up is T3. Okay, T3 stands for Triiodothyronine. It is one of the hormones from the thyroid gland, which hopefully you recognized as part of the word. It is made from a food product we call iodine, which we find in iodized salt. We add it there because it's so good for your thyroid gland. It happens to have 3 molecules of that because of the prefix tri. Next up is T4. T4 stands for thyroxine. Thyroxine also comes from the thyroid gland, and again, because they're numbered like this, that should help you to associate them with the thyroid gland. TSH is up next. See if you can find what it means. TSH stands for thyroid stimulating hormone. And then we have ACTH. See if you can see what that means. Okay, that stands for Adrenocorticotropic hormone. All right, let's look at a couple abbreviations associated with diabetes. So first up is IDDM. See if you can see what that is on your word list. All right, so IDDM stands for Insulin-dependent diabetes mellitus or mellitus, just depends on who's pronouncing it or what part of the world you live in. However, this is where that insulin does not work, and we need to replace the actual insulin as it is no longer working. Up next is DKA. See if you can see what that refers to. Okay, DKA stands for diabetic ketoacidosis. This is what happens when your blood sugar gets too high. This will put you into a coma and potentially kill you because your blood sugars do get too high. But we refer to that as DKA or diabetic ketoacidosis.